Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Engineering Management, and this is a basic mechanical engineering video lecture series. Today we are going to see one example based on the diesel cycle, and this is really very important problem. So let's see first of all the description of the given problem. Here you can see diesel cycle. So draw first of all the PV diagram of the diesel cycle, where two adiabatic process, one heat addition at constant pressure and one heat rejection at constant volume process. Now I am going to write first of all the given data into the symbolic notation. Here it is given to you, an oil engine works on diesel cycle with temperature of 25 degrees Celsius at the starting of compression. So here you know that this is a compression process, and starting of compression means at the state 1. So this is the temperature at the state 1, means T1 is given to you. So T1 is equal to 25 degrees Celsius, add 273 so that you will get in Kelvin. Next, if the ratio of the adiabatic compression is 16, so again you know that compression ratio is V1 by V2, and that is given to you as 16, denoted by small r, and you know that this compression ratio is also equal to V1 by V2, so I am going to write over here that is also equal to V1 by V2. Now the adiabatic expansion is 9, so here you can see this is actually the adiabatic expansion process, and the expansion ratio is 9, means V4 by V3 is given to you. So I am going to write over here V4 by V3 is equal to 9. So my dear friend, keep in mind this is actually the expansion ratio and this is compression ratio. From this figure you can understand it is a compression process, so it will be V1 by V2. Here this is the expansion process, means it is V4 by V3. Next, find the efficiency of cycle. So you know that this is the diesel cycle, and the efficiency of diesel cycle means eta diesel is equal to question mark. Next, take adiabatic index as 1.4, means gamma. My dear friend, if it is not given to you in the examination, then you can assume gamma is equal to 1.4 for the air standard diesel cycle. Now refer this list of the formulas for the Otto and diesel cycle. Here the question is about the efficiency of diesel cycle, that means this one. So you can find the efficiency of diesel cycle from this equation. But observe it carefully, my dear friend. R is given to you, gamma is also given to you, but cutoff ratio rho is not given to you directly. So first you need to find this rho, and then you can use this equation. So definitely I can use this equation for the efficiency of diesel cycle, but for that I should find first the rho. And again you know that rho is actually the cutoff ratio, and that is equal to V3 by V2. So I am going to rearrange this term like this, simply by multiplying V1 in the numerator and dividing V1 in the denominator. Here my dear friend, keep in mind V1 and V4 is equal. Here you can see V1 is equal to V4. So simply I have multiplied by V1 in numerator and multiplied by V1 in the denominator, because of you know that V1 is equal to V4. So this will be cancelled, and so this is our original term. So my dear friend, maybe in your mind the question can be arise that why you have done like this thing. So very simple, my dear friend. So observe here carefully. Here it is given to you V4 by V3 is equal to 9, means V3 by V4 is equal to 1 upon 9. So I can put it over here. Then V1 upon V2 is also given to you as 16. So multiplied by 16. Simplify this one so that you will get the rho 1.778. So once you got this rho, then simply you can put it over here in this equation, and so that you will get the efficiency of diesel cycle. So this is really now very simple problem. So only the twisting is over here. So now I am going to put the value in this equation. So you know that efficiency of diesel cycle is equal to 1 minus 1 upon r raised to gamma minus 1 in bracket this term. Put the value. So 1 minus 1 upon r. R is given to you as 16. Gamma is also given to you as 1.4 minus 1 as it is. In bracket, rho means cutoff ratio is now you have 1.778 and the rest term you can understand. Simplify. So 1 minus as it is. And here you can understand 1.4 minus 1 means 0.4. In the bracket you can understand again the simplification of this is equal to 2.238 minus 1 as it is. And here 1.778 minus 1 means 0.778. Again simplification. So 1 minus, here you can see 16 raised to 0.4 means it is 3.031. Here you can understand 2.238 minus 1 means 1.238 and the simplification of these two is this one. Now again simplify. So 1 minus as it is. Simplify this whole term so that you will get 0.3751. Again simplify so that you will get 0.6249. Again by simply multiplying with 100 so that you will get the efficiency in percentage, that is 62.49. So this is your answer. Find the efficiency of the diesel cycle. So make a box. Thanks my dear friend for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.